So what if the business that you've been trying to think of, it's already hiding inside of your resume? Now take a minute and think about everything you know how to do, all the problems you can solve, the results that you know how to produce, the challenges you've navigated, the expertise that your colleagues are always seeking you out for. The years, maybe decades you've spent becoming really good at what you do. Now, inside of the corporate world, that just might feel like your job. But outside of corporate, it could become something very different. It could become a service that you offer, a consultancy, an advisory business, a new source of income, and maybe even the foundation of a business that gives you the freedom to finally leave corporate behind. The challenge is figuring out how to turn what you already know into something that people will actually pay for. My clients that talk to me, that first come to me, they think, will people actually pay for this? Yes, they will. And that's why I've created this Exit Ready workshop. If you have been dreaming about becoming your own boss, but you keep wondering, well, what kind of business should I even start? This workshop is going to help you to start seeing your experience very differently. You're not starting from zero. You are starting from experience. So let me just hop over here and show you. Let me get my screen right here and show you what I call the offer map system here, and just walk you through how this works. You start out with, basically, you've got too many ideas just bopping around. Whoops, let me find my little pen here. Okay, too many possibilities. Raise your hand if this is you. 47 tabs open. You're constantly trying to figure out, well, could this be an offer? Could this be something that people would pay me? We are going to take all of those possibilities and turn it into basically your golden nugget, your paid expertise. And how are we going to do that? We're first going to mine the evidence. We're going to go on a gold searching expedition. We're going to find that evidence. We're going to look for patterns so that it's easy for you to take all of that experience, package it up into an offer, and then you're going to have more than one. So what we're going to do is we're going to decipher and choose the strongest direction. Then instead of having just something really vague like, oh, I help other people become consultants, we're going to turn this into a very clear, concise offer. The first thing we'll do is we will pick the perfect future avatar, as they call it. We're going to pick the buyer that will be raising their hand wanting that offer. We are going to name this paid problem so people can easily identify with it. And then we're going to run it through a readiness score to see how viable is this. And then instead of just guessing, will people actually pay money for this? We're going to read the market. We're going to see what signal the market is giving to us. We're going to package it up, make it into a little prototype that we could easily offer it. We're going to do some testing here and then read the signals. Excuse me. Then you'll know if you've got a viable offer. So the offer map system that will run through within 90 minutes, we will nail down your paid expertise. We will clarify exactly what your offer should be, and we will tap into the market to see if people are ready to throw their wallet at you. So hope you can join us. It's going to be a live workshop. It's on August 20th, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you can't make it, the replay and the handouts are included with it. You'll leave with one clear offer, your first buyer identified, and your first market test ready to go. And you will have your offer map, your custom offer map. You can hang it on the refrigerator, show the world you are ready to go. So I hope you can join me. If you have questions, let me know down below. I'll leave the link and I'll see you on the 20th. Take care.